How to create your own FPL Mini League. Let's get started. Launch your FPL app. Make sure you are already logged into your account. Now navigate to the Fantasy tab. Once you're over here, different options will appear. Scroll down and navigate to the option League and Cups. Click on the option Configure Leagues. Now from here you are able to create your own league. Click on the option Create and Join New Leagues and Cups. Now head over to the option Create a League and Cup. You'll be directed to this page. From here you can choose either you wanna create classic scoring league or head-to-head scoring league. Select the option of your choice. So I have selected head-to-head league. Then you will need to fill out this. Fill out all the details, and once you do that, click on the option Create, and just for that you have created your mini league. So this way you can easily create your own FPL mini league. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.